99% of people don't know that the central armrest box in the car is actually a small refrigerator. I'll show you how to use it. First, find the air conditioner in the central control area and turn it on. Then turn the temperature to the lowest. Then open the central armrest box. Find this little knob in an inconspicuous location below. Turn counterclockwise until the snowflake symbol is facing upwards. The small refrigerator will then start cooling. Let's put a bottle of water in and wait for 2 hours. 2 hours are up. Open the armrest box. Look, it's frozen solid. Follow me and learn some car knowledge every day.